first setup is never perfect. The desk is small, the monitor isn't the best.
Let's set up our desk. So you can see the monitor I'm unboxing. So just you can see that it's a two layer. So I'm trying to like outside it. So you can see SR band 24-inch. So this is the HDMI cable. Also this is the stand. So it's important. Also the connected cable, also the stand, full stand setup. Then unboxing the our monitor, SR monitor. So you can see this is my monitor, 24-inch. So it's a very large and very good. So the our RKM keyboard, you can see, also the mouse and the keyboard looks very good. So I'm trying to stand setup. So you can see the monitor setup. So just put it so simple, like then connecting cable for this is a HDMI cable. I will connect it. After connect, you can see boom, SR is on. Then my laptop and monitor is connected. So it's
The first setup is never perfect. The desk is small, the monitor isn't the best, the keyboard is cheap, the cable management is terrible, but none of that matters, because it's yours.